Hi, this is how you make squishy dough. So the first thing you'll need is flour. So put 1 cup of flour in. And then you need half a cup of salt. Half a cup. Then 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. Ow. Ow. Okay, this is 3 tablespoons in here. I measured it out. And then you need half a cup of water. It's in the cup right here. Okay, then you stir it. Really good. Oh yeah, and I'm using what's it called? A spatula. It's kind of dirty right now. It's mini. Whoops. And if you want, you can use your hands if it works better, which I'm gonna do that. And this actually works really good. And then you can add more flour if necessary, and salt, and water, or something, you know what I mean, right? Okay. And you can store it in a container. And yeah. Okay, that's how you make squishy dough. Thanks for watching. Bye.